Been walking around here all morning, just checking out, you know, places maybe where I could camp and stuff, because all the leaves are gone off the trees and stuff. Anyways, I'm getting mighty hungry. I got my shotgun with me just in case I see a squirrel or something like that, but if I don't, I got some food in my backpack, and of course I got my canteen cup, so I might pull over up there somewhere and make me a little lunch. This looks like a good place. Not only am I kind of hidden between these two trees in case a squirrel does come by, I have a little bench here that I made a long time ago. Keep me off the ground. It's been raining the last couple days. In fact, it's supposed to rain for the next 8 days. So I needed to come out. I needed to get out. Anyway, let me get my stuff set up. This is going to be a good place. Oh yeah, this will be perfect. There's a nest. There's a nest right up there. Well, I'll go at a dead tree right behind me though. It already fell down, but it's hung up in those trees. Right. Like right above me. Maybe it'll fall on that. If it does fall while I'm here, maybe it'll go on that side. Oh yeah, there's another tree. Right, it's on that side of both of these trees, so it'll be good. It's a big one though. I have to remember that one for firewood. Heck yeah, you can't beat this, man. Right by the creek. That's cool. I think I'm just going to use my alcohol stove today. This is heat in the yellow bottle, but my friend Mike Bluefin, Mustang 774, it's all the same guy. Anyways, he did a video a while back where he used some alcohol, but he put I think he put blue food coloring in his. I just dropped one drop of red in here because I got 2 ounces here and 2 ounces here. It's an old contact lens solution bottle. Anyway, I think it's a pretty good idea, so nobody would mistake that. You know, you wouldn't mistake that for, you know, anything else. I mean, if I, you know what I mean. Anyway, this is what I'm going to use. So I'm getting set up in here. The sun's beating down on me. I had to strip off my I had to strip off my coat. Hey, I wanted to show you my cool little hammock, my gear hammock that Kirk North of 51 made. He made several of them. And anyway, it's just it's a hammock, but it's real little. Whoops, sorry. Anyway, see, that's my phone. Anyway, but it can keep stuff off the ground. When I took off my, whatever you want to call that thing, whenever I took that off, my phone fell out of my pocket, and I said, you know what, I forgot I have my gear hammock. I'll just put that right there, and that way I won't lose it. Thanks again, Kirk. It's good to have friends on YouTube look out for you. All right, enough of that talking, though. I think it's time to spark up some alcohol. Let's cook. I'm getting hungry. All I'm doing today is I'm just gonna warm up this bag of chicken and add this rice, which is already cooked. I'll put a little bit of water in it. This microwave rice, you don't really need water, but when you're doing it this way, it's better. I've found it's better just to have a little bit of water. So I want to keep my handle away from that flame till it dies down. This is a brown rice. Some kind of herbs and stuff. Yeah, this is a cool spot. Relaxing to sit here next to the little creek and cook some lunch. Well, that's good. There's not very much here, but if you were here, maybe I'd share. afraid it's going to start raining on me. It's fun to cook in the woods. I do wish I'd see a squirrel though. Oh, I thought that was a squirrel, but it's a woodpecker. You don't have you don't have to have table manners if there's no table. Damn, I thought I heard something over there too. I'm gonna end up getting me something. You know, I think I will. Kevin. Oh, I did a video about that, but you'll see. Anyway, Kevin's Adventure sent me some of these Cafe Bustellas with the cream and sugar already in them. So I think I'm going to warm up just a cup of water and have me a cup of coffee, sit here kind of quiet, wait for the rain. Oh my, it's definitely going to rain on me. It's definitely going to rain on me. Anyway, but you know what? It's going to rain for the next 8 days. If I get a little bit wet today, it's worth it, right? Because I'm not going to be able to get out for the next week. So anyway, I'm going to have me a cup of coffee now, I think. I'm not going to show you the whole, you know how to heat up water, right? Well, I might as well enjoy my my cob pipe while I have my coffee, right? This stuff, this coffee smells amazing. Tastes pretty good too. Should I try it? I don't want to Fernbark myself. That's not too. Just right. Something I made. I copied a design from TAC-HILL. Rick made one similar. Kind of gave me the idea. Anyway, can't lose it if you leave it around your neck, can you? You know, I've said all along, I don't do these videos to try to teach anybody anything. So don't think I'm teaching, and I'm not trying to be an example. I know this is bad, and drinking coffee's bad, and eating processed chicken's bad, and cooking with alcohol's probably bad, and you know, everything's bad, but you know what makes it all better is being able to share my little part of South Carolina with you guys. Really, that's the only reason I do it. And for, you know, I mean, a lot of the people, a lot of my friends on YouTube do this exact same thing. Exact same thing. It's just fun to see different parts of the world, though, you know. And then there's some people, some of the people that, some of my most loyal watchers are people that for one reason or another are not able to. They're either they don't have a spot, you know, where they live in the city, or maybe they're physically unable to come out and enjoy it. So, you know what? If I know it sounds stupid, but if golly, man, I don't mean to get philosophical or anything like that, but man, if just one person watches this and says, "Wow, that was relaxing. That's cool. I'm glad he shared that." Then that makes it all worthwhile, you know. And usually at least one person does, so that's why I keep doing them. So thank you, and thanks to everybody else who watches, and thanks for leaving comments too. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, and thanks. It's not Thanksgiving, but hey, you know what? I'm still thankful for everybody. I'm thankful that I'm thankful that I have permission to enjoy this 100 acres that only, as far as I know, I'm the only person that comes here for like the last 15 years. So I'm lucky, and I just want to share it. That's all. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.